the noises this chair makes, but hey, that's what happens when you've got 130 kilos of prime technician on it. Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. It's going to be another shop workflow video. I took a break from doing video cameras for a while to catch up with my other jobs. Everybody with a video camera seems to be in a rush. Right now we're gonna do some from what the customer told me, there's some test equipment things. Service interface by Schneider. I've got two of them with the USB ports ripped off. One of them had the USB port there and it doesn't anymore. Give me a second to try to find where I dropped it. There you go, it was on the floor. Alright, it looked like it's ripped off the board. Let's see what kind of damage we've got inside. Oh, look at that, it fits the same thing as the video camera, so I don't have to even change the tip on my screwdriver. Okay, I've got let's see if I can do this too quick. And then I've got I bought a gaming laptop for parts, but is in really good shape. The screen is cracked. Oh, that makes it not be in great shape, but the screen is cracked. But it's last year's model Acer Nitro, and I ordered a screen without even opening to get the model, so was only one option for 165 Hz screen. So let's hope I didn't order the wrong one. Oh man, I have to do something about this chair, the noises it makes. All right, where's the... All right, that's the problem with the shop. You get interrupted all the time by people walking in. All right, let's yeah, that's what we've got there. That's where the pole is supposed to go. Let's switch to the microscope and have a look at what we can do here. All right, it looks like the ground pads have been ripped off, but the actual pins, they're not. So that's a good start. Let's clean it up as you can see. We're gonna use this flux that Andy from Swindon doesn't like. I didn't even turn the extractor on. Okay, those are good. Let's see if we can do something to improve them. Ground pads. Okay, let me look for something. Okay, I found what I need. Let's repair this a bit. Okay, we're gonna solder some strips, maybe do that a bit there. Oh, this one didn't really need to, but Okay, let's see. What can we do with this? I really need to find out where I got these pads from. I only have a couple of them left, but I can't remember. I think they came in with some kind of kits that I had from a customer. Anyway, let's prepare this. Okay. Alright, which one we're going to start with? This one. Let's see how it looks from the back. Oh, we're miles off. Okay. Okay. Let's get it off and remove all that, and we're just going to put it down on the board and then solder to the existing sides. I tried to make it a bit fancier than it should have been, but I kind of made more work for myself. And that's the shop workflow that nobody sees in the videos usually, unless you're doing a live stream. All this stuff gets cut out. Before I go any further, let's see. Shoot the pins there. That's okay. Let's see how it fits in the case. All right. Yeah. No, that'll work. No problem. Can solder the pins now, and then we go about deal with this one. Okay, stop touching it, Julian. Okay. Let's see what we can do here.
Okay.
Nice and strong now. Let's check the pins there. All soldered nicely. Let's test them. Yeah, they're very solid. Okay. Did we get any solder inside the port while we're doing all that? No, port is nice and clean. Alright, we've got a cable here somewhere. Let's try and plug it in. Sorry. Let's switch to the overhead camera. Don't know what this is gonna do, but I'm just gonna plug it in. It's got power supply there, so probably it's not gonna do anything, but just want to see if the computer makes any connection noise. Or oh yeah, we've got a green LED there, so that's good enough for me. All right, let's put it back together. Oh no, we said we're gonna put some glue around it, shall we? This is strong. Yeah, it's going nowhere. Okay, that should go nowhere now. Alright, let's put it back together and get the other one on. I'm working on a new setup here. Got another camera and that. I'm gonna try to do a little review this weekend and try to set it all up. I've got the Paul Daniels meter, as you can see, already displayed on the screen, and yeah, hopefully we're gonna get that the microscope camera working, and it's gonna give me a bit more room to work, because it's smaller, and the way I've got my setup here is a bit. I'll show you everything once I do it. When I'm gonna do the review, I'm gonna show you how everything is set up here, but okay. That's one done. Do we test the cable one more time? Let's plug it in, see if it turns green. Alright, that's good. Let's take the other one. Alright, we got the laptop on. I can't see it as it is now, but if we turn it on, There you go. Okay, no need to go any further. Come on, turn off. If I just turn it back on. Okay, doesn't seem to want to turn off. On that power button. There you go. Alright, let's take it apart. Some new strips of adhesive as well. And we'll see how that works out. But let's see. Is the screen the same? Is the connector in the right place? It looks like it. All right. Can't tell if it's cracked or not. It doesn't look like it, but it's one way of finding out. Right, that's in. I didn't put the strips in yet. Does it go in? Yeah. Okay. Let's plug the charger in. See if it's working. Yeah. Okay, got the charger here. Let's plug it in. And let's see, do we have a picture? Oh, of course we won't. We don't plug the cable in. Don't even know why I took it off, but all right. Second time lucky. Here we go. Very nice. And let's do the adhesive strips. Right. Oh my god, look at all the dust that we put on our brand new screen. guess all that blowing dust from the computer. Okay, that's nice. Well, I guess it's all good. Everything seems to be working fine. Don't know what's that. Does it have some kind of games or something? No, it goes on the internet. There you go. Nice, I'm gonna put it all back together, and I think we're gonna end the video here. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.